How to make a poll on Instagram story. So first of all, launch Instagram on your mobile devices. Then simply tap on Your Story option on top. Then all you would have to do is take a snapshot first, which is tap on this white button. Once you do so, simply tap on the sticker icon. Then you'll see the option of poll. Tap on it. Now, in order to create a poll, simply ask a question. Then make options for your poll. You can also add another option as well. Now, after this, all you would have to do is tap the option of your story, or you can also add the story to your close friends. Then your Instagram followers would be able to choose from this option on your poll that you have created on your Instagram story. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.